Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this vlog, I'm not just unboxing the Temu products we purchased for our kids but also reviewing about their quality, size and price too. Hope this video will be useful for you. Keep watching.
Oh, what's that? Oh, mashallah! Wow, look at this one.
Let's begin with this magnifying glass purchased for 37 Riyal. We were satisfied with the quality and size of the product. Even its design was looking good with black and white color combination. And there are 3 built-in LED lights at the back to enhance visibility of the object. Its lens is made of glass material and handle is also comfortable to hold, and even the area of the magnifying glass is of good size, so totally worthy. Next item we purchased was a 24-hole harmonica for 57 Riyal.
Oh yeah!
It came in a plastic box neatly packed along with a polishing cloth. The size and the quality of this product is no doubt good, but the pricing was little bit higher we felt. Even in the website it's fluctuating up and down. Next, coming to this mouse pad purchased for 10 Riyal. The size was as displayed in the picture, even the quality was good. So for 10 Riyal, worth buying it. Next comes this same print pillow cover, 45 centimeter size, purchased for 12 Riyal. So the size of this product was same, but the cloth we were not satisfied with it, and even the print we don't know after wash it will stay or go away. Next item we purchased was this busy book trending on the internet nowadays. Purchased for 15 Riyal, so size is not too small for the price, and comes with these binders, stickers. Even the quality of this card is good. Only thing is we need to assemble it, and it is fun to do it with the kids.
Fly. You have to put on the white. The dinosaurs in there.
Woke up late, missed the morning glaze, but the sunlight hits in so many ways. Grab my shades and hit the streets, no plan, chasing vibes like.
Next item is these floating balls, purchased 5 pieces for 10 Riyal. The quality of it is not so strong. Only thing is it's useful to improve hand-eye coordination and improve slip strength of the kid.
Crooked smiles, crashing waves, no shame. Flip my phone.
The next item is 36 colors air dry clay, purchased for 15 Riyal. The size of each packet was small, but for the price we paid it's okay. Then it came along with 3 tools for crafting, plastic tools, and then it gets harder the next day.
Every step a beat we can make. Life's a tune, sing it till we break. Concrete warm under my bare feet. Crowds moving like a heartbeat. Skipping stones in city streams we find. Let's write a new story, leave the old behind. Someone's cooking
Next item is 12 piece marine animals bought for 28 real, so that each piece would have cost us more than 2 real. You can see the quality here, that it is strong, not easily breakable, and there is fine detailing of each and every animal here, which is making them look little realistic for the kids. And in few moments I will show you their size also. So there's negligible difference in the actual size of the product and the size displayed in the picture. But for 28 real, I felt the size could have been little bigger. Next, we bought this 6-piece dinosaur set for 13 real, around 13 real. Here also the same, the quality is good, detailing is fine, but the size.
It's a triceratops. Do you see it? It's a triceratops. Oh, it's an ankylosaur. It's a Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus. T-Rex. It's a T-Rex. Give it to me. Oh no, Stegosaurus. Why are we for?
See, there's a fine detailing here. Even the size is as displayed in the picture, but when we go to the market and purchase them physically for this price, we will get a little bigger ones. Next item is these 50 pieces water pipe building blocks purchased for around 15 real. Your kid is going to love this, as it is colorful, strong, durable, and very useful in developing fine motor skills and creativity in our children. Come on, Hamdan, pick the car. Next item are these pouches or pencil cases. We had purchased like this before from Temu, but that time the quality design was good. Maybe this time our selection was also wrong, so this time we were not at all satisfied with the material, finishing and detailing of this product. The second one was little better compared to the first one. After that disappointment, next purchase is stunt car for 75 real. But this one was worthy. Initially we thought like this remote is dummy because it doesn't have an antenna, but it was working.
Amazing!
And we were satisfied with the quality of the car also, the wheels and everything, and there's no unnecessary noise in the car. It is strong, durable, and my boy loved playing with it, so great value for money. Hope this video was useful for you in some way, and in the next vlog I will be unboxing some other household items we purchased from Temu. If you do like this video, please like, share, subscribe to Life in Dunia for more, and thanks for watching till the end. See you next time. Ma salama.